If you want to enable the read caller name feature on your Galaxy A17, so in this video I will show you the exact process. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Interaction Dexterity, and in this page, just go to Answering and Ending Calls. And from here, you will find Read Caller Names Allowed. Now just enable this toggle. And by enabling this toggle, you will enable Read Caller Names Allowed. Now, if you tap on Read Caller Names Allowed, you can select when you want to enable this feature. You can either select Always and it will always read the caller names aloud, or you can select over Bluetooth and headphones only. And by selecting this method, your smartphone will only read the caller names aloud when you're connected to a Bluetooth device or to your headphones. And finally, you have the feature to read the caller name twice. And by enabling this toggle, your smartphone will read the caller names twice. And this is how you can enable the read caller name feature on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.